also from Key Art and Design. So again we have come with our creative enhancement classes, which we are doing from now 3-4 years, and this we do every June. And this is actually for the students who are now got in all the colleges, like even NIFT, NID, UCED or any private college you've got through. So then you can take this classes. What is this class and what you will learn in this class? सबसे पहले सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो भी कॉलेजेस के में घुसने का उनका एडमिशन हो गया है, चाहे वो निफ्ट एंड आईडी के लिए इवन उन काउंसलिंग के लिए बैठ रहे हैं, तो ये उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि उनको समझने के लिए कि क्लास में जो कॉलेज में जब घुसने के बाद उनको क्या क्या समझ में आया, क्या क्या सीखना चाहिए, क्या क्या करना चाहिए, क्या से वो अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर सके. So that's the reason this creative enhancement classes we are starting. And this is we are doing for now 3-4 years. This is actually benefited to everybody who has done it. We normally also take the students who are actually our own students who have already got admission in NIFT NID or any private college. That for them it is free, but for the other students who want to join this creative enhancement class, for them it is chargeable. So now what is the charge, everything, for that you have to just WhatsApp me and I will give you all the details of this class. What you will learn in this, you will learn lot of things which you will have to do in the college. And firstly, how to make a proper portfolio, how to do Photoshop, how to do use Canva. What is your subject? According to your subject, we will teach you many things. Example, if you're going for FD, fashion design, then we will teach you many things related with fashion design. If you're going for communication design, we will teach you related with communication design. If you are going for interior, product, any types of design, so we will take separate classes for each of them. Some classes will be some group classes with everybody is doing the same thing, and some students will be divided into the different groups, and then we will take this class. This is online classes, and for all the students all around India can take this class. We also have offline class for creative enhancement that runs whole of the year. Anybody can come and join if the students wants to learn things from us like Photoshop, photography, stitching, cutting, anything, or illustration, fashion illustration, interior design, product design, how to do portfolio. All these classes normally goes a full year in our Delhi center, and this is our only one center, and that is in GK2. So anybody can come for offline classes, and we will tell you if you are coming for offline classes how much you have to pay in a month. And this for online classes, the opportunity comes only on June 5th. We are starting the online classes and for creative enhancement, and it will go till 30th June. So those students who want to join our this classes, please WhatsApp me in my number and you will get all the details related to this creative enhancement class. I think right now those who are going for even counseling, for NIFT counseling, or you are going for NID counseling, those cleared UC, those who have cleared UID, WD, LPU or any other private colleges, you must come to learn this. It is a very interesting thing. Before going to your college, you will learn lot of things which will actually help you throughout your college journey of 4 years which you are going to do. Or the students who are going for 2 years also, and especially they have not done anything related design, they are coming from a commerce background or any other background and they want to go for this design course, or you're going for fashion design or anything which they don't know anything about. This course is very important for you. So just come. We will give you a certificate for creative advancement also after the end of the class. Also, we will help you to learn many things which you want to do, and we will also give you some of individual classes to how you can groom yours for grooming class. For with me, myself, I will give you that, and that will also help you a lot, because I will tell you lot of my experience, and I will share you, and your whatever your knowledge is, I will try to improve you that. So now what are you waiting for? Just grab your phone and WhatsApp me in my number for creative enhancement classes. Just write your name and state and write you want to join our creative enhancement class. I will tell you all the details related of the creative enhancement class, which is starting from June 5th. So join us. I think this is very important for all the student who wants to go for design course, and they've already got their admission in design course. So do like and share. Those who have come first time in this channel, do subscribe us. We will meet you again with lots of videos. Bye for today.